Good morning students, I am Praveen Thakur here with your standard 3 SST. Students, today I am going to start with a very interesting chapter, Delhi, chapter 14 in your book. Today I will give you a little introduction of Delhi. Delhi is the capital city of India and is regarded as the heart of the nation. Because Delhi is the capital, all the offices of the government, the ministers, they all sit at Delhi and they rule over the country. Any type of work, people go to Delhi. So that is why Delhi is very busy and is known as the heart of the nation. The city hoists some famous historical monuments. Lot of historical monuments are there, so people go there to visit these monuments, and is developing with the passing of time. So as the time goes by, still it is developing. In the city we can see the cultural impact of the Mughal, the ancient Indian and the British. Delhi was first ruled by the Mughals. So lot of structures, monuments we can see of the Mughal period. Then the British, they ruled over India. So we can see some British monuments, that type of buildings also, and ancient India, that is ancient means the present India. Let us see something more about Delhi. The city of Delhi actually consists of two components, that is two parts. Old Delhi in the north, the historic city, and New Delhi in the south. Since 1947, the capital of India, built in the first part of the 20th century as the capital of British India. Delhi, India, designated a World Heritage Site. So Delhi is divided into two parts, Old Delhi and the New Delhi. New Delhi was designed by a British architect, Lutyens, Edward Lutyens. He designed New Delhi because Old Delhi was very congested, that is very narrow streets and lanes, roads were there, and many historical places also there, and more people were living. So they expanded Delhi, and now there is New Delhi, and has become the capital of India, New Delhi, not Delhi. But whenever we say what is the capital of India, we say New Delhi. From 1947, it is the capital, New Delhi. Here you can see the map. This is the north part and the central part of Delhi. This is the south part of Delhi. Delhi Cant, that is the military area. This is the municipal corporation of Delhi. This is the east side, and here in this blue you can see this is the Yamuna river. So Delhi is on the banks of river Yamuna, that is at the side of river Yamuna on one side. Let us see something about Delhi. The National Capital Territory, NCT, because Delhi is a city also and union territory also. So it is known as NCT, that is National Capital, because it is the capital of India. So it is known as National Capital Territory. It has its borders two states. Three sides is by Haryana and one side by Uttar Pradesh. The NCT covers an area of 1,484 square kilometers. Delhi's city proper population was over 11 million, and the NCT's population was about 16.8 million. That is in Delhi urban city, where urban means the new city that has been formed. The satellite cities, Delhi has nearly 7 cities in and around it: Ghaziabad, Faridabad, Gurgaon, Noida. These are some of the major cities of Delhi. Delhi is the second wealthiest city in India after Mumbai. So Mumbai is considered as the most richest city in India, and Delhi is the second richest country in India after Mumbai. See, these are some of the cities in and around Delhi: Gurgaon, Noida, Agra, Ghaziabad, Mehrauli, where we can see this, Qutub Minar, Connaught Place, that is a very famous shopping complex. Old Delhi is the most historic part of the metropolis. So Old Delhi, you can see many ancient old monuments and buildings dating back to the time of the Mughals. So that is when the Mughals were there, long time before, and they made a lot of monuments. Shah Jahan, Qutb-ud-Din Aibak, Edwin Lutyens in the 1920s and 30s, he may form the New Delhi, designed New Delhi. What is the difference between Old Delhi and New Delhi? The charm of Old Delhi lies in just in its incredible sights, but also in the general hustle and bustle. Hustle and bustle means lot of activities going on every time, because lot of small markets are there and lot of monuments, buildings of British rule, Mughals is also there, created by narrow lanes. Very narrow streets were there in Old Delhi, and everyday lives lived with its confines. A traditional and authentic experience can be found here, with those keen to sample genuine Indian delicacies and snacks most likely to find the appetite stated in this part of the city. So what is this? Delicacies means number of food items and snacks you can find in Old Delhi. The Chandni Chowk area is considered as one of the most top food items that you get in Delhi. In comparison to this streets, New Delhi is a spacious area made by mainly of wide avenues. So near the New Delhi, lot of wide roads are there, new flyovers, many flyovers are there, so that the transport can be better for each and every people. Now here we can see in New Delhi the European type of atmosphere. They are lined with lush trees and overshadowed by imposing government buildings, creating an entirely different atmosphere. Both parts of the city are fascinating to explore. Why? Because Old Delhi has old monuments, very thin roads, lot of food items are there for poor people, especially for poor people who cannot afford rich cuisines. For them it's very good. And New Delhi, because it has been made into new architects, new buildings, everything modern culture. So it is very interesting to visit both the New Delhi and Old Delhi. Splitting your time between both and making your own comparisons will help to understand the complex history of this remarkable place. So this was about New Delhi and Old Delhi difference. Both of them are very interesting to see. More we will see in the next videos that we follow. Now here are some of the hard words of page 102 and 103. British, B-R-I-T-I-S-H, Calcutta, C-A-L-C-U-T-T-A. But now Calcutta is known by the name of Kolkata. Metropolitan, because it is a modern and metro trains are running in Delhi, so now it is called a metropolitan city also. Extreme, that is very high. But dust storms, the storms, wind, heavy winds of dust. Indraprasth, it is a name. Delhi was earlier known as Indraprasth. This was built by the Pandavas. Shahjahanabad, because Shah Jahan ruled over Delhi, and then Delhi was from Indraprasth, it was named as Shahjahanabad. Architect, Mehruli. Rashtrapati Bhavan. Here in this Rashtrapati Bhavan, the President of India lives out here, and in one part, and the other part the ministers, they work out there. The Mughal garden in Rashtrapati Bhavan is very, very famous in Delhi. Supreme Court, there is only one Supreme Court in India, and that is in Delhi. Monument, designed Akshardham, Swaminarayan, these are the very famous two temples. So these were some of the hard words. Go through it very nicely. See the video again to see the difference, why it is called Old Delhi, New Delhi. Thank you students, and take care.